In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Octopus Add API key in Admin. Let's walk through this together from start to finish, so you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. First, go ahead and log into your Email Octopus account using your usual login details. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you can see your lists, campaigns, and other tools. Make sure you're on the right account if you manage more than one, since the API key you create will only apply to the specific account you're logged into. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account name or a profile icon there. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and configuration. From that menu, choose the option called Integrations and API. This is where Email Octopus keeps everything related to connecting your account with other tools, services, or custom-built applications. If you're planning to use Email Octopus with a website, a plugin, or another platform, this is the area you'll visit often. On the Integrations and API page, scroll until you see a section labeled Developer Tools. In that section, you should see an item for the API, along with a button that says Manage next to it. Click on the Manage button. This will take you to the dedicated API settings page where you can create and manage your API keys. On this page, look for a button labeled Create Key, or sometimes Add a Key, depending on how it appears in your account. Go ahead and click that button. You're now creating a new API key that other systems can use to talk to your Email Octopus account. You'll be asked to enter a name for the key. Choose a name that clearly describes what you'll use it for. For example, you might name it after the website, integration, or application that will be using the key. This makes it much easier to identify and manage your keys later. Once you've typed in a clear name, click the Create button. After that, your new API key will be generated and shown on the screen. It's very important to copy and save this key right away because for security reasons, Email Octopus will only display it once. Store it in a secure place, like a password manager or a secure notes app, and only share it with trusted systems or developers who need access. And that's it. You've successfully added an API key in the Email Octopus admin.